guys, it's Angie, and I'm coming today to do a flip through these two journals that I just got done. I literally just got them done, you guys. Oh my gosh, these take a long time only because I did two, so these are like my twin journals. I've only done this one other time, and so I thought I'd do it again. And I absolutely love how they turn out. It's just that it takes almost double amount of time, even for a small, and you think um, they wouldn't be so tedious, but actually the small one took a little bit more time. Even though I've done these journals for a while, they do take time. Hold on one sec. Anyways, like I was saying, they do take time. So I thought I'd just go through them really quick and so you guys can see them and you guys can see my twin journals. This cover, the little dust cover is what I made for the journal. And it's just a simple cover, guys. I am not a seamstress. Mine is very primitive sewing. I think it adds to, the books. Very rustic sewing. But I make these, you guys, everybody makes these hidden paper clips. And I love all your guys's. I mean, they're so amazing. And then I go to make one, and this is what it turns out to be. So this is my version of a hidden paper clip, so they can take this off and use this in the journal or whatever. I've been having a lot of fun making those. So this is the back, and you just, hook it on to whatever. But it's fun to add them as a little piece of artwork on the front of the bag. And then, so this is a bag. It's super simple, you guys. It's just very simple. And then what I did is I made two pockets just so I could have made two journals, but since they're together, they're twins, I wanted them to be together. So I thought I just sewed right up the center or where they would fit together. So that way they can be housed together. And I thought that, would be better than just separating them in their own, excuse me guys, little bags. Sorry, I have a little cough. We've been in the forest fires, it's right up the road from me. And anyways, I've had a cough and it's been terrible and I haven't been able to kick the cough with this smoke. It's been horrible air quality. But anyways, and as I'm on speaking of that, actually, people ask how I get inspired or what inspires me. I get inspired in a lot of ways, but most of things that I get inspired with is, like look at this cloth, you guys. This is beautiful. But my surroundings, and right now we've had fires all summer, and they are huge fires. So I think, like these, I'm calling these kind of like my forest fire inspired journals because I feel like that's where I'm at. That's what I've been living in for the last 3 months, and so that's kind of where my work has taken me. I've started off in neutrals and then totally went way out into the rainbow, which was so much fun. And that's what I kind of like about my diversity is that I'm here and there and kind of everywhere. And so a lot of things inspire me. I look a lot of things and they inspire me, and I didn't even realize that I was kind of doing a series. And so I guess this is the continuation of my forest fire smoke series. That's what this reminds me of. Let me know if you guys think totally something different. But anyways, so this is a regular sized journal and then a mini version of it. So they're so cool. Look at how tiny that is, you guys. I just love, obviously, I love miniature stuff. But I thought it was so fun to size this down, and these are almost, you guys, almost exact replicas of each other. So that's why I'm going to call them twins. I mean, there might be like two different things that are different in each journal, but most of the part, they are twins. They kind of take on their own personality as well, but so maybe we'll just start off with the little tiny itty bitty one. So I'll get slow down so you can take time to look at it, and then when you look at the other one, you'll see the same characteristics of this one to that one. So this is a hardcover, and then I have my really grungy textures and layers, and this kind of turned out to using a lot of Tim Holtz stuff. I usually use like one or two things, but this one, I don't know what happened, guys. Everything then in his line started working for me. So this is a Tim Holtz, and this is a Tim Holtz little acrylic block, I can't remember what these are called, but they're discontinued, you guys. So They're really fun to use, and I don't use them very often, so this was kind of fun to use. And here's the spine. So this is kind of, this is a curved spine, and then it just has some fabric over it and some grunginess. And then I've been making these for a long time. These are just little dangles I make, and it has like a rusty nail in it and some thread and some rusty wire and this little tiny key. And then a little bead up here, and then here's the back. Look at all that grunginess. It's so amazing. I love it. The more I can achieve, the better, and it's like I'm almost starting to make mountains, you guys. I've been putting so much stuff on there. Everything but the kitchen sink, right? And so this is a curved hollow spine, and all of my journals that I've been making for the last couple years have been, you can take out the signatures. I do that because I was spending so much time on my covers and on my journal covers that I wanted to be able to, I wanted you guys to be able to reuse the covers and the signature covers because I spend much time. So I came up with a way, and I love the hollow curved spine, so this is my version of the traveler's notebook, I guess. But anyways, it all comes out like this, and then these are not sewed in either. So that way you can reuse the covers, because like I said, I do spend a lot of time on my covers, and I want them to be able to be reused. So just, you know, when you're done filling these pages up, just take them out and, you know, fill it up again with something else that you want. But this is the first signature, and I will dangle down here. It's full of grunginess. My string, these little photographs. Here's the front cover inside. And then here's the second signature. And then here's just like a little thing. This is the kind of thing that I ended up doing. I forgot what these are called. But I just looked at my stash, you guys. This is for totally something else. I think you put these on the ends of ribbons. I use them as little tabs here. They turn out awesome. I grunge them up. And then dangled number off of my beloved 5. Made it in here. This is just little pockets right here. Just a little ephemera, like a lot of Tim Holtz. Like I said, I don't know. Tim Holtz here, Tim Holtz there, and there. Anyway, so we'll go through the first, or we'll go through here, and then all the other signatures repeat themselves, the pages. And so there's like a little pocket there. So these are just like little collages, or little layered collages I thought were fun. And just painted pages. They're all tea stained. And then my journals are art journals, so they come from pretty much naked. I'll decorate some pages. On this one, I pretty much left them blank. We'll just go through them really fast since I have another journal. And this is the back. There, and then these are just little clear pockets. Here's the third signature. And again, it repeats itself. These are the back, and this little tiny clip up here, miniature clip, Tim Holtz there. Here's the back and a miniature pocket, you guys. And I just grunged it up, and this just says thank you, the back, and then my little tiny itty bitty signature back there. So that's the first journal, and that says 4, 5, and 6 on those signatures. And then the mama one, so like I said, you'll see things exactly the same as in the little one. You'll see it in the big one. So here's the front cover, all grungy, craziness, tons of texture. I wish I could put this up close, but it'll just blur out on you guys. So there's the back. And then again, the little tiny, well, not tiny, but the same kind of dangle as the little tiny one. This is the bigger version. Same thing, and then the same kind of rounded spine. All grunged up. Sorry guys, I have a cough drop in my mouth and you hear crunching. This is the front, same thing. And then we'll open it, and exactly the same as the little itty bitty one. A lot of Tim Holtz in here. Just some painted little pockets. And then these are removable signatures as well. And it's a curved hidden spine with elastic. And then this is the first signature, and this is 1, 2, and 3. And this is the front of this. And then the little pocket there. And then again, we'll go just so you can see the pages in a bigger size. And then here's the elastic. Take your signatures out. They're all tea stained, and in the back, little collage, layered thing. A little pocket here. There's number 2 hanging there. Little dangles on the bottom again. This is 3. Pages repeat. There's the back. And then last but not least, pages repeat on the back. Pocket back there. This one says thank you on a bigger one. And then here's just the back pocket. Some artwork on there. And they close it up. And there you go, you guys. So these are like exactly the same. These little twins. It was just different sizes. It's just fun to make. Like I said, I've only done this one other time, and I'll do them now and then, probably once or twice a year, because like I said, they take a ton of time to do and complete because I'm repeating everything in 2 journals. And believe it or not, this took a little bit longer on this little itty bitty one than the bigger one because you have to downsize everything. You have to pick out all your elements. You're trying to replicate both of them the best of your ability, you know, and yeah, but they were a lot of fun. So I do commission work. I do not do commission work on twins, but just keep an eye out. Like I said, I do one or 2 a year, and I'll let you know if I'm working on them. I do sneak peeks, but I do commission work on journals. I take 1 a month, and they take me between 4 to 6 weeks to make. I know that sounds like a long time, but I spend a long time with them, and I also work on my other parts of my art business, so I need time for that. But usually you'll get it before 4 weeks. I'm always, try to work my best and utilize my time as best as my ability. So if you're interested, let me know. Let me know what you think about these, you guys. Let me know if you get influenced by your surroundings, if it plays a role in your artwork. Like I said, I'm totally inspired by my surroundings, daily life, where I was born and raised. I'm from a historic town here, and there's just lots to look at, lots to be inspired by. Yeah, so I hope everybody enjoyed this. I hope it wasn't too long. Please stay to the end because I do take close-up pictures of my work so you can kind of see all the grunginess and everything. I hope everybody's having a wonderful fall. And yeah, we'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.